Hello everyone. About a year ago I made a video for how to clone your SUPERCONSOLEX micro SD card. But what if you don't have a card to copy from? In the original SD card there are files for recovery. It is in Chinese English, but it's possible to follow. But also those instructions rely on that you have the original SD card and that it is already divided to the 3 partitions. I wanted to create a backup that will be relatively easy to apply and that the file size will be around 10 gigabytes. So I started by removing a lot of the ROMs. Then I searched for software that can make an image from the whole disk with the partition structure data. It was not easy. I even tried softwares that came in the SD card. One of them is in Chinese. Now, I tried to make it simple for you guys. Just download the zip file from the link, extract the files, install the software, and it's important to have a good brand of micro SD card. I will post a link in the description. After the file finished to be downloaded, go to the folder, right click it and choose extract here. The file is password protected and I will give the password at the end of the video. So keep watching. So in the folder that was extracted, you're going to see 2 files. One is the setup program and the other one is the image file. Click and start installing the software. Disk image free, according to the license, is going to be working for 31 days. So beside a good quality SD card, you will need some kind of adapter so you can connect it to your PC. Click on image to disk. Select the file, the second file that you extracted in the phase before. Mark V on all the boxes. Click next. Select your micro SD card, not any other drive. You will need to erase all the data on the SD card. Click all the next buttons and wait for the progress to finish. In my computer, it took about 20 minutes. I will fast forward now. Important message. During the process, you might see Windows pop-ups about the disk was inserted or any kind of message. Touch nothing until the process is complete. When it's done, you can take out the micro SD card from your computer and put it inside the SUPERCONSOLEXPRO. So the password for the zip file is Samuel DIY 2024 in one word. Only 15,000 games left because I wanted to make the file small as possible. If I missed any important games, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.